Do 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 do. Tonight, I want to give it all to you. In the darkness, there's so much I want to do. Hey everybody, it's Paul Stanley from KISS. And we're here today to welcome you to Boozhoo, Nabu. I'm here today with Natasha. Ikadon Boozhoo, Natasha. Okay. Hey everybody, welcome to the show. And now please welcome Nabu. Take it away, Nabu. Wayne and do you remember? Wayne and do you remember? In Ojibwe I say, for do you remember? Wayne and means do you remember? Do you remember? You boys ready?
Oh yeah, I'm ready. You ready there, Anna Mush? Yeah, boss, whenever you are.
Okay. Boozhoo! Welcome back to the podcast. Today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. Miigwech, Bizandawieg. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening to our songs.
Na 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 Boozhoo. Na 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 Boozhoo. Na 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 Boozhoo. Na na Boozhoo. Went to a dance looking for romance. Ah, na na Boozhoo, so I thought I'd take a chance. Oh, na na Boozhoo, na na Boozhoo. Na na Boozhoo, na na Boozhoo, na na Boozhoo. Na na Boozhoo, you're all about Ojibwe language and culture. Na na Boozhoo, na na Boozhoo. Na na Boozhoo. Na 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 Boozhoo. Na 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 Boozhoo. Na 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 Boozhoo, na na Boozhoo. Oh, that was really good. That should be our new theme song, eh? I couldn't agree more, boss.
Noonday Minute, Noonday Minute, Noonday Minute, Noonday Minute. Hey everybody, Noonday Minute. I'm thirsty, so I think I'm gonna have a drink. Study the conversation like a map. I know there is strength, the differences between us. I know there is comfort where we overlap. Come here, stand in front of the light, stand still, so I can see your silhouette. I hope you have got all night, 'cause I'm not done looking at you. No, 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 I'm not done looking yet. Oh, what? Boozhoo niche Anishinaabe Duk. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo. I am Natasha, and on the Katojigan, we have the one and only Nana Boozhoo.
Dum dum da 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 dum ba-dum 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 bum 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 ba-dum 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 bum 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 bum
Pretty women are walking with gorillas down my street. From a window I'm staring while my coffee grows cold. Look over there, there is a lady that I used to know. She's married now or engaged or something, so I'm told. Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? If my eyes don't deceive me, there's something going wrong around here. Around here. Something's going wrong around here. Something's going wrong around here. Something's going wrong around. Ba-dum, 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 bum, 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 bum. Ba-dum, 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 bum, bum, ba-dum.
If you learn to play the guitar, you'll never be bored. Isn't that right, sweetie?
Yeah, that's true.
And so if you want to learn to play guitar, you say, Madwaya Bijigan, Madwaya Bijigan, play guitar. But then if you want to say, let's play guitar, you say, Madwaya Bijigan da. You just add da, means let's. Madwaya Bijigan da. Hey, Weenie Mushane.
Yeah, what? What do you want?
Madwaya Bijigan da.
Oh, you got it, sweetie.
I don't know, what do you think, Anamush? What should our Ojibwe word of the day be? Well, boss, seeing it's your podcast now, I think I'll defer to your good judgment. So you got no idea. Oh, that's right. What do you think, Natasha? What should our Ojibwe word of the day be?
Oh, I don't know. How about Nee Weenie Mushane?
Nee weenie mushane. You know what? Gee nee weenie mushane. You're my sweetheart, eh?
I used to sit up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall Nana Boozhoo loves Natasha.
Weenie Mushane. That means sweetheart. And if you say my sweetheart, you say Ni Weenie Weenie Mushane. Ni Weenie Mushane. My sweetheart. And if you want to say your sweetheart, you say Ye Weenie Mushane.
Let's see, how can we start?
Well, I guess I'll just sort of, I can like look around like pretend we're talking while the music's going on.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Hey, Boozhoo! Boozhoo nish Anishinaabe Dude. Welcome back to Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. And just want to make a quick announcement. There's a new album of songs out, and it's called Rock and Roll All Night Podcast Every Day. And it's just some songs. It's a whole bunch of songs we did recently on this podcast. So click on over and listen to some music from this sweetie.
I'll get out of here. Yeah, okay. And miigwech. I will see you again. Yigo abamin. Minowa. Oh, All right, that was pretty easy.
Yeah.
Have you told Natasha yet? No, sir. I thought I'd talk to you first, and well, I'll tell her later. Yeah. Well, she's not gonna like this. She's gonna be sad. Gosh, gained him. Gosh, gained him. Sad. Oh, here she comes now.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Oh, hey there, Natasha. Can you sit down for a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I just need to talk to you about something.
What's going on?
Well, I was just telling Nana Boozhoo here that I'm afraid it's time for me to tender my resignation from the show.
You what?
Well, I've decided to quit the show.
You're quitting the show? Why?
Well, I think it's just time. Sometimes a man's got to just do what a man's got to do.
But you're not a man, you're a dog.
I know, but it's time for me to go see what I can make of myself in this world.
Well,
You understand, don't you?
no.
I'm sorry, but I got to do this, Natasha.
But I'm gonna miss you.
I know. I'm gonna miss you too.
I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I was caught for 3 long years, lost in the thoughts of a young man's fears. I cannot swim in a sea of tears. I found you out and then I disappeared. Now I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. comes down to this. One sad parting farewell kiss. Goodbyes in this morning's mist. What's mine is yours, but what's yours is his. So I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. Oh, oh, oh. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again.
Ningosh Kingdom, I'm sad. Ningosh Kingdom, I'm sad too. Thank you for watching. Boozhoo, not a boozhoo. Oh, for crying out loud.
Isn't it always there in the back of your mind? Don't wanna waste any time. How can I waste any time if I've gotta die? Maybe one day, maybe when I'm old and gray, then it'll feel okay. One day we'll all fall down. Someday we'll all